Hello, people from the other side of the screen. To me, Mr. Milady, and I'm with my sister, Miss Emma Man. Oh, right, she's not gonna be playing with us today because she's coughing like that. Oh wait, never mind. She's here. Hi, Miss Emma Man.
Hi! I'm not actually sick.
Okay. Anyways, we are here and we are playing Airplane 3. We played Airplane 1 and 2, and this is the last Airplane story.
Series. And I'm sorry if you want an airplane tour.
Wait, let's go to this one, the left.
Ooh, okay. Wow, that sounds.
Whoa, what is this? Whoa, papers. Look, it's a secret mission. This is gonna be interesting. Also, make sure you guys like and subscribe.
No, I accidentally. Oh yes, I got it.
Make sure you like and subscribe to turn on those post notifications to know when new videos come out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. Who is this guy? Oh, look, he's in the army or something. Oh, he got hurt. There's like a scratch on his face.
I'm sitting in his chair.
How do you know that's his chair? Oh, we can sit in the chair. Okay. So we got a secret mission, don't we? Welcome, everyone.
Welcome.
You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here.
Many hours you.
Attention! Airplane 3!
Anyways. Yeah, why did you gather us here?
Yes. I'm the Roblox States Army General! Get down and give me 20! You can call me General Poncho. You know, those things that kind of like sweater, but they have no sleeves. Those things. You can call me that. From this point on, everything I say should be taken in order, or else you will be expelled from the team. Oh no.
What?
Now, please take a seat. We're already sitting.
Jill, you gotta look with your own two eyes.
General Poncho. This guy's a soldier. We're like in a secret base. Look, there's a little airplane flying above us. Let's get to the point. What? Why am I up here? Am I up somewhere? Oh no, it's just showing us things.
Okay.
Who's that guy?
I don't know.
Is he your son? This is our target. Oh,
Wow.
he's our target, not his son.
Wait, so we're
His name is Ronald! President Ronald Rump!
Ronald McDonald!
We have investigated and all we know he is a dangerous Robloxian. I thought we killed him. What did he do? That is where we are heading. We are heading to what he did. Oh no, he captured the pilot. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane.
Uh-oh. Oh no! Everyone in that plane must be in danger!
That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe for now. Our mission is to stop Ronald.
Stop him.
We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. Yeah, we can just push them out in a parachute. That'll be fine. Even if they don't know how to work the parachute. We will find Ronald intentions and bring him to justice!
What? How will we get to the plane? If it's still flying?
Good question. Follow me. Okay. Our objective. Oh, it says our objective on the right. Right here. And it also has arrows. This is much more like, I don't know.
Would you marry me?
Oof. Everyone ready?
Yes!
What is this thing? Is this like an elevator?
Yeah!
Oh,
wait,
it's
wait,
closing.
Mr. and Lady.
Yes.
So our target is General Poncho's son?
No, it's Ronald McDonald. You know Ronald Rump? I thought I killed him though. So
Ronald Rump is dead.
in the last episodes, in the last videos where we did airplane stories,
Someone told us.
so it was like terrible luck. Well, in the first one, I crashed the plane. The second one, I killed the wrong person. I killed the president because someone told me to. I hope this one is actually good. Welcome to the military cave. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. It's green.
I have the pink one.
That is how we are going to save the airplane from Ronald.
I have a pink suit on.
How do you have a pink suit on?
It's right there.
Oh, here.
And there.
I'm gonna get the blue one.
Okay.
Okay, I have a blue suit. You look beautiful in that.
Thank you. You look beautiful in that too.
Thank y'all. Looking good. I believe we are ready. Now let's check the system. I follow him. Alright, what we gonna do? Checking the system. Ow, he's hitting me. That is so mean. Look, he's like he's like hitting me on the head. Not enough fuel. Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel.
It says that.
We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off.
Yes, I know that.
That is a fuel nozzle.
Oh, really?
There's 4 of them around the cave.
Oh, I see some lasers, so it has to be a little part.
Right. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. We gotta like press them? Oh, we have to, oh, okay. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. Okay. I will fill the tank and call once all the nozzles are in place. Let's go. Make sure to jump over the lasers, okay?
Okay.
Not on the lasers.
I'll do the green one.
Okay, this person is already doing the red one.
No, wait. I'm gonna do the. I wanna do.
I'll do the green one.
Okay, because it's more scary. I'm doing the blue one.
Okay. I got the green nozzle. Wish me luck.
Okay.
I lost a little health.
Oh.
Okay. I have plugged in the green nozzle.
Why are people pushing me?
Come on. The blue one is on this side.
Yeah, I can see you lost a little health.
Yeah, I lost a little.
Yes!
Excellent. All nozzles are connected.
Wait, but then how are we gonna fly? It's gonna keep on pulling us down.
No, we'll wait till it's done. Filling the tank now. Doesn't look like, oh, now it's filling.
Yeah.
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 Okay,
Yeah.
tank is full. Ah! Now we are ready! It kind of sounded like he was screaming for his life.
Yeah. And I was under there.
I'm under the plane. I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. He looks so happy. He will be our pilot
No,
through this
pilot,
mission.
no.
I said they look happy.
Ow.
System is ready, General.
You have a weird voice.
Please start the engine, pilot. I'm a girl, I don't have a great voice. Starting the engine. Whoa, that goes fast. Engines are ready.
Hey!
Opening back door. Whoa, look at all those chairs.
Whoa.
We we all get window seats. I just saw someone inside. Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door. Okay, who is this guy? Oh, that's her. God. He's still... Is he screaming? Like he's like, ah! Get in quickly. Sit next to me.
Yes!
We both can't die, okay?
Yes. We have to finish this. Because I finished I didn't finish the first one. I finished the second one, and I have to finish this one.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
This one.
Closing door. Prepare for takeoff. Everyone's only sitting on that side, none on that side. Good luck, soldiers.
Why you keep on doing that, General Poncho?
Okay. Oh, look, it's a banana. I want the banana. Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. Look, there's enough bananas for all of us. There's something about this Ronald guy. Well, duh, he's evil. At first sight, he looks like a good person. Never judge a book by its cover. Why would he do something like that? You don't have to look nice to be nice. I mean, you have to be nice, but, you know. General, what are these bananas? Why do I have glasses? That was for my nerd series. Oh, I thought you could be hungry, but look what I look like. Here, everyone have a banana. This is a thick banana. Look how fat this is. It's bigger than my head.
I don't really like bananas, but I'm just gonna eat it.
I love bananas. This is like... Oh, it saved my health. That's what that is. Okay. Wait, don't eat the banana. What do you mean? It's poisoned. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
It saved my health though. What? Haha. I'm just kidding. You are the worst person ever. Ha. This is okay.
That's not funny, General.
Yeah, not funny at all. I'm sorry, I just have to do it. Yeah, it saved my health, so. Anyways, we will be flying for a few more hours. You might as well chill or take a nap.
I need another banana. Oh my. I have to save it.
The kidnapped plane? It says get to the kidnapped plane. Oh wait, the plane that was kidnapped. Duh. I'll wake you up when it's time. Z.
Fluffy, puppy, 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 puppy. Fluffy, puppy, puppy, puppy.
She has a big ego, doesn't she?
Fluffy, puppy, puppy, puppy.
Time to wake everyone. Doesn't she have a big ego just dreaming about herself?
Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Really? It's nighttime and it looks like we are inside a storm. Wake up, sister. We need to be ready in case we have to. Ah! General, we were struck by lightning. I'm so happy. Our rat model is in critical danger.
Wait.
I'm such a happy
Wait, this
person.
is made by metal?
Does this mean we will die? Okay, everyone, chill. Let's just chill.
Chill space.
I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Oh no, we're gonna fly out. We're gonna die. Wait, out.
There?
Oh, that's good.
What?
What?
Okay, but you have to cover me, and I'll cover you, okay?
How are we not blowing off? This is so scary.
Wait, if there's red dots, I'm sure there's red dots where you can't stand on.
The storm is getting worse. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Are we supposed to stay here? Cover me and try not to get struck by lightning.
We can't.
Why are we outside then? You can do it yourself. What are we supposed to do?
Cover him. Oh,
Whoa, I almost got struck by lightning.
yeah, there's some red dots that you can't touch.
Oh, okay, so don't touch the red dots. Is this purple place safe?
I'm not sure. Let's just stay in it.
Because it's striking everywhere except here. Whoa! Never mind.
And
At least if we're on a red dot, we have some time to escape, don't we?
yeah. I hope we don't die.
Whoa! Whoa. We have 15 seconds left. We can do
We
this.
can make it. We can make it. Oh, okay. 10 seconds left.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The motor is fixed now. Please? I think the lightning is gone. I've never seen such a strong storm.
Me too, you meanie.
Maniac. Just making us come out when you could have done it yourself. We didn't even help you, did we? Ah! What is that? What is what? Oh my gosh, it's a skeleton. You will not stop this burn! Burn! Oh my gosh! Fire! Wait, won't the... Quickly! Inside the plane!
Wait, I can't.
Are you moving?
Right.
Okay. We gotta sit. Pilot! Is everything okay? Where is the skeleton? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you are talking about. What is he doing? The giant skeleton! He's like scratching the ground.
Yeah.
We didn't see no skeleton, General.
That's because
Never mind, let's just keep moving. We are almost there. Okay, so far so good.
we're actually doing great when that was a hard thing. Like the lightning was coming down. Jump, jump, jump! Ah.
Weird. General, we are finally here.
Finally, why you got
Perfect. Everyone pay close attention. Attention! We will sneak it through the back door of the Kidnap plane. Then, we need to get everyone out safely before we go after Ronald. Because Ronald Rump, the president. Okay. Once we are there, we have Chance. Good luck, soldiers. I don't know what he said about Chance. Oh no, we're gonna die. Alright guys, prepare to end this video. What do we do? This is it. I see like stuff back here.
Yeah, if you guys want to check it out,
It looks like Ronald covered the door.
If you guys want to see it too and finish it, if you can.
I wanted to do this my whole life. Oh my gosh. Oh no! We better hurry. Check the storage. If you can find anything to open this door. Great, you found a hammer. That will work. No, that guy who found it, Humpback found it. He's just hitting the ground. How is that supposed to do anything? Ah! It's over, Ronald. I'm up here, and how did you get here? How did you get here? We gotta save these people. They're like trapped. They're like wrapped around. There's no time to go after him. We gotta save the civilians of this plane. We need to save everyone on the plane first.
That's what you just said.
Untie everyone before... Okay, I'm untying everyone.
Hey, you're not letting me untie it.
Yeah, but we need to do this quickly. It's not a race. Oof.
Oh, and it was a baby. Hey.
It's not a race.
I know, but you're not letting me help at all.
Okay, whatever. General, I inform you all the noobs are safe now in the aircraft. Great, but there is still one left. The captain. Oh no.
Why are you walking like that?
Yeah, why is he crawling? Like, look at that guy. This is it. He's like glitched or something. We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald. Talking won't do anything. I call I want to be the... Step in front of the captain door. I'm the hero. I will do it. Sorry. Alright. I'm gonna die, so sorry guys. We trust you, 2008 treasure. Okay, this time I'm gonna do the right thing, okay? Ronald! Open the door! We can work this out. Ooh. How did you get... Oh, wait. Okay. We can work this out. Come on. We can be friends. Ronald, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. Ugh. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. You deserve that? Listen to what I'm going to say. What is wrong, Ronald? I'm gonna do that. I'm nice. What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. Even the pilot. When I had problems, there was no one there. I think I asked the right question. All I ever wanted is a friend. I said, let's be friends, Ronald. We can be great friends. I'm not being mean. I'm not saying that he's crazy. Ronald, you don't have to do this. We can be your friends. We can save you. Friends? Will you really do that for me? Yes! We will be your friends because you are a good person inside. Deep down, you know you're a good person. I don't know if you can save me. I've taken things too far. Just... You're right, we can save you. It's never too late to do things right. Ronald. Let's get out of this together. Okay, I will become a good person. Oh, I'm such a hero. I'm so proud of myself. Is his face gonna change? I'm not feeling well. What do you mean? Are you okay? No, he's having a heart attack. Oh no, he died. Oh my gosh, my friend. Ronald, are you okay?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. No. General. Oh, that's you. There is no time. The plane is about to explode. Oh no, I just made a friend and now my friend is dying. Take this parachute. Take what parachute? He's not giving me a parachute. Oh, there's a parachute up here. Take it. But General, what about you? We won't leave you here, Rock. We won't leave you here, Rock. I'm the hero. I will save Ronald and the captain. Good job. There is no time. Just go. I'm smacking the parachute. It was a pleasure working with you, soldiers. You have to take...
But we need to get there and jump.
Oh no. Where is it?
I don't know.
This is kind of parkour, right?
Where's the emergency room?
It's this one. Ah! I'm at yellow health.
I'm at green.
Whoa!
I think we're gonna make it.
We're going to make it. Do we need to land in that circle or on that plane?
I think the plane. No, I think the circle.
Okay, there's people in that circle, so let's go there. We will be heroes together.
Okay, I'm getting scared, guys. But I'm sure we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Whoa,
Welcome your heroes!
welcome!
Hello, people! Mwah, mwah. We are the celebrities here. We are your heroes.
Yes.
We saved the day. Wait, what about the... Oh, look. All of the people who we saved are dancing for us.
Oh, I like dancing too.
Let's dance with them. Come on. Let's dance. Thanks for saving my dad. Is your dad? Hey, Captain, you made it. Oh, she's so cute. I did. Thanks for saving my life.
No problem.
But where is General Poncho and Ronald? Did they die? Ah! General Poncho gave his life to save everyone on that plane. What? He is a hero. And so are you!
General Poncho?
No. Thank you for your service, soldiers. I know General Poncho is proud, wherever he is. No. No. It's his soul. No. 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 This is such a sad ending. But we got the good ending.
The victory is
Woohoo! Well, that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and also smash that subscribe button. And what have you learned today in this video? This is a very deep story. It's very...
If you want to tell us what you learned in this video, then comment down below.
Yeah.
And
That's how the people in the comments, that's where all cool people are, you know? You know.
and we want you guys to be awesome and cool. So comment down below.
Yeah, so...
Bye,
Like,
people.
so, wait.
Oh, and subscribers, they're cool too. So if
Yeah.
you want to subscribe, you'll be cool and awesome too.
And also people who turn on those post notifications.
Wait. What is that?
Oh my gosh, that's Ronald! Ronald! Ronald!
Oh, I missed you.
Ronald! You scared me!
But you are the best, even though you're naughty.
Okay, anyways,
Bye,
bye people from the other side of the screen.